in tandem.
Listen,
We've not played Mario.
Hold on, did I zipper my thing all the way? No.
See, I hope you're gonna get a picture of this.
He's recording me. I forgot to zip in my pants. Ew. Oh my god, disgusting water sludge on my face.
Well, maybe you should learn how to like row properly and not splash.
Excuse me, I'm from Florida. I don't know how to row.
Well, it doesn't look like it.
Row!
If you're gonna
Row!
maybe you should sit. Oh my god.
Row! Where'd it go? Row!
I'm going to get you.
All right, row!
Ew.
Row! 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 Row!
I just like to point out that since the girls have been
We've
Don't lump me in. Don't lump me in.
Row! Row! Row!
Oh my god, you're splashing me with water. Okay, you need to sit back over here where it's wet.
Row!